One sunny morning, Wimbly raced to the playground. Woohoo! I'm ready to play! Nora was building a tall sandcastle. She patted the top carefully, but crash! Wimbly zoomed too close, and the castle tumbled down. Nora's ears drooped. Oh, I worked hard on that, Wimbly giggled. Heh, sand looks better flat anyway. And off he ran. Next, Wimbly chased a ball. Bonk! He bumped into the gardener. The watering can tipped splash. Water poured everywhere. Gardener sighed. Wimbly, respect means being careful with people, animals, and places. But Wimbly just shook the water off his whiskers and dashed away. At the pond, Wimbly tossed little pebbles. Duck flapped its wings and swam away fast. Wimbly frowned. Huh? Ducks don't like pebble rain? Wimbly's smile faded. He noticed Nora looked sad. The gardener still sighed. The duck stayed far away. Then Wimbly whispered, respect means caring, not just rushing around. He walked back to Nora. I'm sorry. Can I help build again? Nora smiled. Yes, let's make it even taller. Next, Wimbly helped the gardener lift the watering can. Gardener. That's respect, Wimbly. Finally, Wimbly went to the pond. He knelt low. Sorry, duck. No more pebble rain. The duck quacked softly and swam closer. Wimbly's heart felt light. Respect brought smiles back to everyone. So what did Wimbly learn today? Respect means caring for people, animals, and places. Parents, if you want to make your kids wiser, subscribe to the Wimbly Official.